All right, now we move on to speaking part 2. Describe a place in a village that you visited. So you visited is past tense.
Yes,
Your
sir.
whole conversation is going to be in past tense, second
All
form
right.
of the verb, please.
I live in Lahore, which is actually our crowded and big city. But I have a friend named Umar who live in a village named Changamanga. I visited him in last December to attend his birthday party. After completion of that party, we went to the room for have a nap.
To have a nap.
To have a nap. Then we got up early in the morning we got up early for a morning walk. We went to the Changamanga forest, which is very famous place in not only in our country but also in the world, because it is on the fifth ranked man-made man cultivated forest. I have noticed a lot of things there. The first thing was the air was very fresh and free of pollution. I have seen a variety of trees there which were dancing in the cool breeze, and the birds were chirping there, which were creating a very impressive and beautiful scene. After that, we went to a there was also a water park where the beautiful children wearing traditional dresses like Shuar
All
Kameez
right,
enjoying a
good.
lot.
Overall, it's good. 1 minute 23 seconds, and you spoke well. You expressed yourself very well. You described the place and all that. I would just advise you to speak in chunks. Chunk is where it is. Talk about location.
All
First
right,
of
sir.
all, let me tell you about the location. This park is located around 70 kilometers away from Lahore, which
All
is
right,
the
sir.
capital of Punjab. When you visited there. So then, secondly, I went there 2 years ago and all that. So speak in chunks.
So actually, I have prepared this topic in a proper way. After this, I had to try to explore other things like I have
I
seen.
understand that, but if you speak in chunks, it's better for speaking part
All right,
2.
sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Do young people enjoy living in the countryside?
According to me, in my perspective, I think young people do not like to live there because there is a lack there is a poor infrastructure and lack of entertainment facilities as well. Transportation is also not developed there. In cities, you know that we have a lot of entertainment facilities. Like we went to the bar,
We
went to
go
the
to.
we go to the sorry. So we go to the.
Listen, this answer is going away from the topic. Do young people enjoy living in the countryside?
No, sir.
No. So you should answer. For example, well, youth never enjoys
So
living in
can-
the countryside. There are
can I-
various reasons behind that.
Can I answer it
Then you
again?
need to give the reasons, okay? Now let me change the question.
Yeah,
Do
please, sir.
old people prefer to live in the countryside or in the city?
All people mostly like to live in the countryside because that area is free of pollution, and the air is also fresh. The life is very simple there, not freshy like in the cities. So that's why I think all people prefer to live in the village
All
areas.
right, this is good. So give the reference of the main topic, and whatever you speak, link it with the question.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.